Yes.
Now we'll take the first two topics. First from NCERT book. After that, if you have problem, then I will take some more questions. So take out your exercise. Give me the NCERT book. We'll go through exercise 13.1 and 13.5. This 13.1 and 13.5 both are related to cube and cuboid. 13.1 is from area and 13.5 is from volume. Okay. So one question I am going to explain from this one. Question number 5. Exercise 13.1. Question number 5. A cubical box has each 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter high. Which has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? I will simply explain. Suppose you have given two. One is in the shape of cube and another is in the shape of a cuboid. Cube has a shape of 10 centimeter each side. This one is cube. And cuboid, that is 12.5, 10 and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area? The LSA of cube is equal to 4A square. LSA of cube, that is equal to 4A square. Here is equal to 2 into H L plus B. We'll find the LSA and compare this one. Then likewise, which has the smaller total surface area? What is the TSA of cube?
6A square.
6A square. You have given A is equal to 10. This one is length, this one is breadth, and this one is height. Here total surface area is equal to 2 into AB plus LB plus AH plus LH. So कंप्लीट कर लेंगे बच्चों. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग देखते हैं. A small indoor. अच्छा ये देखते क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हमको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लग रहा है. थोड़ा सा इसमें ठीक है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an equal to 9.375 meter square. Paint contained in a container. Area covered. Area covered कितना हमारा 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? उस डब्बे में जो पेंट है, उस डब्बे के पेंट से हम पेंट करना शुरू करेंगे तो कितना मीटर स्क्वायर का पेंट हो जाएगा हमारा? अब देखिए, हाउ मेनी ब्रिक्स ऑफ डायमेंशंस you are given bricks of equal size. This is the suppose brick of dimension 22.5 centimeter. 22.5 centimeter is the length. 10 centimeter is the breadth and 7.5 centimeter. This is the height and this is the questions asked us that how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter in length, 10 centimeter in breadth and 7.5 centimeter in height can be painted out from this container. अगर उस पेंट के डब्बे से हम इस तरह की ईंटों को पेंट करना शुरू करें तो कितने ईंटों में हमारा पेंट हो जाएगा? मींस नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स हैज बीन asked. Okay, we'll find the TSA of one brick. तो उस ब्रिक को हमको चारों तरफ से पेंट करना है. हाँ, TSA of one brick, that is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into L is equal to 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. ठीक है, प्लीज हेल्प किया हो, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो बच्चों कितना आ रहा है अपनी कॉपी में। इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 25, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 75। इसको कितना आया बच्चों 168.75। एक बच्चा और मैच कर लो इस आंसर को। ठीक है, अब इसको ऐड करो 8 and 5 13 plus 5 18 1 plus 6 7 plus 7 14 plus 2 16 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4.75। अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 5 जा 10 7 जा 14 plus 1 15 12 जा 16 plus 1 17 2 6 जा 12 plus 1 13 4 जा 8 plus 1 9। ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो ये डिजिट और ये डिजिट एकदम सेम आ गया, हमारा कैलकुलेशन बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा। दिस मच सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। अब देखो बच्चों, उस टीन के डब्बे में जो पेंट है उसका एरिया किस में दिया गया है, इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम लोग सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में। तो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन मीटर स्क्वायर एंड सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर? Before that, what is the relation between meter and centimeter?
1 meter is equal to
100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So here, total यहाँ पर मैंने क्या लिखा है, total covered area, total covered area that is equal to 9.375 meter square. If it is converted into centimeter square क्या करेंगे 100 into 100 centimeter square. Now number of bricks is equal to total area covered, total area upon PSA of 1 brick. Total area is equal to 9.375 into 100 into 100 upon 937.50. अब देखो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 0 dissolve here, and in fact 93750. These all 4 zeros are dissolved. Now 93750 in the place of decimal 1, and then we have to put here 200. ये दोनों
cancel.
Then how many bricks can be painted? 100 bricks. This is your answer. Okay, so after this class I will take your doubt from cube and cuboid and from other topics. Till then, God bless you. Welcome class 9 students, those who are present over here, and also I welcome the students those who are not present because of their parents not allowed in the virtual class, e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Today in the crash course of maths, as you have decided and asked, we are going to discuss about the topic area and volume. In area and volume, basically you have to study cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. These 5 types of geometrical figure you have to study. So the very first I am going to discuss the basic formulas. Please note it down fast, because after that I will rub that one and come to the cube and cuboid portion. formula. This is a chart of the important formula. This is a very important chart. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, and then sphere. Now, the very first cube. A lot of example of cube in our day-to-day life. Ludo आप सबको खेलते हैं बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
That dice और छत का is a very good example of cube. Particle of sugar. चीनी का अगर एक दाना बहुत ध्यान से देखोगे, एकदम नजदीक से, that is the shape of a cube. फ्रिज में आप पानी ठंडा करने के लिए आइस क्यूब रहते हैं, आप देखेंगे दैट इज ऑल्सो ए वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ क्यूब. एक गेम होता है जिसको रूबिक क्यूब बोलते हैं, जिसमें बहुत शेप फेसेस होते हैं, कलर हम एडजस्ट करते हैं. तो सब हाउ मेनी फेसेस ए क्यूब हैज? 6 phases. 6 phases, and each phases is in the shape of square. Okay. So the TSA is total surface area. That is equal to the first one LSA. That is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means area of that 4 walls. So that is equal to 4A square. Cuboid. Your classroom is in the cuboid shape. A lot of example of cuboid in front of you. Your math book, your copy, your desk. These all are in the shape of a cuboid. So the LSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into H L plus B. And this is also the formula of area of 4 walls. LSA of cylinder. Cylinder, gas cylinder. Very good example of cylinder, gas cylinder. Okay. Then that is equal to 2 pi RH. This is equal to 2 pi RH. It is very easy to understand. Give me a piece of paper. एक पीस ऑफ पेपर दो, पेज दो बेटा, फटा हुआ है, अगर आपके मेन मत फाड़ो, अगर आप फटा हुआ दीजिए. I can demonstrate here how this formula has been obtained 2 pi RH. This, what is the shape of this page? Rectangle. It is a rectangular lamina. This one is length. This one is length. And this one is breadth. Suppose I am going to convert this rectangular lamina in the shape of a cylinder without overlapping it. Then the breadth of this rectangle, when it has converted in the shape of a cylinder, has height, measurement of height. What about the length? Length has converted as the circular base of the cylinder or circumference. Now again back to what is the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth. The length has converted as a circumference. Then what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. The length is equal to 2 pi r, and breadth has converted as height. So the area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. The same area has converted as the LSA of the cylinder has become now 2 pi r h. Thank you. Now, cone, that is equal to pi r L. Hemisphere. cone का एग्जाम्पल बहुत आसान है आपके लिए.
Yes, sir.
वो आप फली ऐसा करके खाता है उधर, मैं देखा हूँ. आइसक्रीम कोन. That the dome of church or dome of mosque, देखिए ना, गुम्बद जो होता है, that is in the shape of a cone. Birthday cap. Birthday cap बनाता है. Very good. Okay, hemisphere. सबके घर में कटोरा होगा.
Yes, sir.
कठौती, समझता है ना कठौती?
Yes, sir.
बाउल.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 2 pi r square. Or sphere, any football, basketball, these all are the example of sphere. Now, TSA. TSA is equal to 6a square. Here TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL or LH. Now TSA of this one, you have to add area of the top circle and area of the bottom circle. That is equal to 2 pi r plus h. Here only pi r square is added. सिलेंडर में केवल एक ही बेस होता है बच्चों.
Yes sir.
तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा pi r plus l. हेमिस्फीयर में क्या होगा, आप कटोरी के ऊपर एक सर्कल होता है ऐसे, देखिए ना, ये कटोरी के ऊपर एक सर्कल होता है. ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 3 pi r स्क्वायर. इसमें इसका LSA और TSA एक ही होता है, याद रखिएगा. देयर इज नो सेपरेट टर्म फॉर स्फीयर. दोनों का फार्मूला क्या होगा हमारा, एक ही होगा. अब आते हैं बच्चों वॉल्यूम में. ओके, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज इक्वल टू साइन क्यूब. दिस वन इक्वल टू L into B into H. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. This is the 1/3 of this one, that is equal to pi r square h upon 3. Hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube, and this one is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r. So these are the formula which you have to use in this topic, area and volume चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 9. इतने फार्मूले आपको दो के पहाड़े की तरह, दैट मस्ट बी एट द टिप ऑफ योर फिंगर, यहां पर होना चाहिए बच्चों, एकदम जरूरी है. पॉज.